Well, we were lucky enough to get a early departure for the lift, so right now we're getting everything ready to go. Wow, so talk about good timing. So, due to the coronavirus, you saw my last vlog, they're closing down a lot of stuff. And so, we were not scheduled to launch tomorrow. So, this morning, we went into the marina office and we said, can we get an earlier launch because we're ready to go. And they found one right then. We got the launch, got launched, and now everything's shutting down. All the marinas shut down. We cannot get fuel right now, it's an issue. But, yeah, right now everything's just going into hibernation mode with this coronavirus. We got off the dock just in time. Cracker Boy right now is shutting down, so we were lucky, really lucky on getting out of there early and before this whole thing happens. So right now we're gonna be going to downtown West Palm Beach again, our favorite anchorage, because we've gone here and John Penny Camp this entire trip. There's only 2 places we spent more than a day at. Yeah. So in West Palm Beach right now, there's a lot of cases of the coronavirus, so we're really thinking about potentially heading up to Stewart, and then we won't be as much of an infection zone of this whole pandemic. We're sailing right now. We're calling it social distancing sailing because we're out offshore, social distancing, and enjoying this wonderful sail. Head up to Stewart today, and then it's a quick sail today, so not super long, and spend a couple days there. We just anchored in Stewart, so we're gonna spend the night here, and then tomorrow seat up to probably Jensen Beach or Vera Beach. We're not sure though. Leaving Stewart this morning, so we're gonna be heading up to this island, which is like a spoiler island along the ICW. We call it Dom Patrol Island after our last boat. So probably gonna spend the night there tonight. It's a pretty cool place, so I'll have to show you that. And should be a nice day out there. We're offshore. Alright, so I think that's going to be the vlog here. That DP Island wasn't interesting as we remember it because it is cool, but it was just kind of fun for a night. So, yeah, we're going to head up to St. Augustine next week. So, that'll be next week's vlog in St. Augustine. Probably spend like a week or two there. Anyways, see you guys next week. Bye.